what? So if it blasted off all the way to the top, then what's the other bone of the cat?
There's just one.
One?
That's all you need right now.
No, there's two.
Okay.
Don't forget the clippers.
All right. Now, when did you make this one?
Gramps made it.
Oh, this is the one that Gramps made for you?
Yeah, I mailed it.
Okay, cool.
Somehow it survived.
Well, then I think we need to send it into orbit. What do you say?
I say so. You're going to give it back to Grandpa?
Nope. We're going to fire it off.
Here it is. Just going to set it up.
All right.
We have some things.
Aiden, can you bring Devin the clipper?
The clippers? Yeah. Go. Gotcha. Devin, here you go. Thanks. Welcome. We are almost ready to launch. I think it's going to make a better blast. That's it. And then like... Exit. 1, 2, 3. Then we are all ready. Blast off. Okay. It will move. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Or are you pushing in hard enough on it?
Is it lighting up?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, put it down.
Devin,
Take the pin
Devin.
out.
50 up. That's right.
Aiden, back up.
Wah, wah. Did it come undone?
No, maybe it's just backwards.
I didn't realize that would make a difference.
Well, let's try it. Let's try that again. Okay, let's try that again.
That's how you get under the legs.
Launching in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off!
Yeah, it did.
Where'd it go?
Right there.
There it is. I think that one went higher than the other one.
Yeah, I think it did.